Traffic tickets can put points on your license and raise your insurance rates, and you rack up a few, you might even lose your license. But is it really worth it to fight the ticket or hire a lawyer? I don't have a clue, but thank goodness our next guest does. We are so happy to have Andy Crouppen with us this morning with the law firm Brown & Crouppen. Good morning to you.
How are you?
I'm well, but I'll be honest with you. I have a bit of a lead foot. I've seen the flashing lights behind me as I'm driving before. So.
And what do you do?
I just
stomp it to the ground and keep going?
No, gosh, no. But
terrible idea.
So you get pulled over, you get a ticket. What should you do though in that process of getting pulled over?
Well, the first thing is be courteous, be respectful. I know sometimes you're angry because maybe you're in a hurry or you don't feel like you did anything. And sometimes even the police officer is having a bad day and is not as kind as they could be. But be kind, courteous. Do not admit to anything. Do not get out of the car. Stay there. Keep your hands where they can see them. But they'll ask you often, do you know why I pulled you over?
Right.
And one of the things they're looking for is an admission of guilt. Yeah, sorry, I was speeding. Well, if you want to fight the ticket, don't admit that you were guilty of what they're accusing you of. So never admit fault. Take the ticket. They'll ask you to sign it. You're not admitting guilt, just signing, acknowledging that you got the ticket.
So you get the ticket. Should you pay the fine, represent yourself, or hire a lawyer?
So it depends. If you get a ticket just for expired license plates, that's a non-moving violation. For non-moving violations, if you pay the fine, it's really no big deal. There aren't points on your license. For moving violations, you can pay it. It's the quickest way to have it over with, but you're going to have points on your license, which means your insurance is almost certain to go up. So you could hire a lawyer. You could represent yourself. They say only a great fool represents themselves in court. If you do hire a lawyer, oftentimes they can negotiate with the prosecutor to get it reduced to a lower offense, like littering or excessive noise, something that does not put points on your license.
So you pretty much just answered my next question about representing yourself, so I'm not a fool. So we're going to move over to hiring a lawyer. What should we keep in mind when we do start that process?
Well, for a simple matter like this, I think that there are many lawyers who are capable of handling this. There are people who dedicate their practice to traffic tickets. I would shop around, look at reviews, find out how much they charge. But for the most part, what you're looking for is I would ask the person, what can you do for me? What's realistic to think can happen? If I have a speeding ticket for 70 and a 55, am I looking at points still, or do you think you can get it reduced so that I can avoid the points? The points are the thing you're really looking to avoid because ultimately you can either have your insurance rates go up, you get too many tickets, they may even cancel you.
Okay. And then you don't want that to happen. And then finally, you get the ticket. I'm guessing you should never just ignore it.
No, they will put a warrant out for your arrest, and if they pull you over again, you will spend the night in jail possibly. No, they take it seriously. They won't forget about you. Parking ticket, they may forget about you. Speeding ticket, they will not forget about you. It will come back to haunt you eventually. Deal with it.
Yes, deal with it when you get it or in the first few days thereafter. All right, always so good to see you, sir.
Likewise, thank you.
I hope I never have to hire any lawyer for the speeding tickets that I've gotten in my lifetime, but what can you do? All right, we have some more information for you. If you would like to get in touch with Brown & Crouppen, you can call them anytime at 314-222-2222 or visit their website at getbc.com. Kent, have you ever gotten a speeding ticket?
Oh, yeah. I've had a couple. I haven't had any in many, many years, but
Good.
I've had, when I was younger, I got some. Yep, absolutely. All right.